If you're seeing a Facebook error performing query message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that you can try right now. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that the first troubleshooting step is usually very easy. We're going to start with the basics, then I'll walk you through the best way to refresh things and make Facebook work properly again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a simple refresh can clear it instantly. If you're on a computer, click the refresh button in your browser, or press the keyboard shortcut to reload the page. If you're on a phone, close the tab or app and reopen it, then try loading Facebook again. While you're doing that, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail when it tries to load data, which can trigger the error performing query message. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if possible, switch to a stronger connection and try again. If the page still doesn't load correctly, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored files can sometimes interfere with Facebook and cause strange errors like this one. On your browser, go into the Settings or Privacy section, find the option to clear browsing data, and select Cache and Cookies. After clearing them, restart your browser and sign back into Facebook. This often fixes loading problems and helps remove any corrupted temporary data that may be causing the error. If you're using the Facebook app, you can also try closing the app completely and opening it again after clearing cache from your device settings. Another useful tip is to log out and log back in, because that can refresh your session and help Facebook load correctly. If one browser gives you the error, try another browser or device to see whether the problem is only happening in one place. That can help you tell if it's a browser issue or something temporary on Facebook's side. In many cases, one of these simple steps is enough to fix the error-performing query issue and get you back into Facebook without any problems. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache and cookies. Those 3 steps solve the problem for a lot of users. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.